Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an alternative way to set up an Elementor template kit in the WordPress dashboard. And so the other video you can check out on my website or in the YouTube channel somewhere. It should be linked close by. But we're going to go into plugins and we're going to install a plugin made by Envato. So I'm going to hit add new plugin. And then I'm going to search for Envato elements. And then we get this thing here, Envato elements, photos, and Elementor templates. I'm going to install. And then activate. And then now we have Envato elements here. And so if we click elements, we can, well, if we hover over it, we can see the template kits that are available. And then there's so like we can find these kits and just use anything that that fits. I don't know if you can search. Maybe if I type in plumber, I'll hit search. Maybe we'll get something. Handy C, Pipo. Okay, cool. So I think it might recognize my account or something like that. But yeah, you get a lot of plumbing options here. And then it'll have an installed kit section. So if I install, let's install this kit here. Envato element subscription required. Okay. So it'll eventually show up in your installed kits, but let me try free kits. Okay. So I'm just going to grab one, music lessons teacher. I'm going to hit install. And then if we view, view kit, we have our installed kit here. So let's see here. I'm actually not sure how this works. Install requirements, and that's going to override my existing settings, but pretty much you just have to import the template. So let me try importing this home one template. If I do this, it's going to overwrite the site settings, so I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess up the other tutorials that I'm about to work on. But if you click this, it'll upload all the colors and the global styles and all of that. Okay, and then now we can view template. And then here is our guitar lessons template from that kit that we found. And then if we want to use it in some other page, let's go to this other page. I'm going to hit add new and then edit with Elementor. And then we have this Envato elements additional button here that we can grab the kit from. So we can look and we can now import any of these templates that are not pro. So pro would require a subscription, but here are the free ones. So hopefully it was helpful. I think it's simpler this way, but it just depends on, where you purchase the template kit from. So if I was to insert this, it would import it just like what happens in the other template kit tutorial that I have. And because I did not install the requirements, it's not going to look quite right. The colors aren't going to be right, but hopefully you get the picture. And we can still see that the structure is good and it's still mobile friendly and everything. So that is an alternative way to install a template kit. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.